G'day and welcome back to Foord Off-Road. In this video, I'm going to continue working on the 6 litre patrol spot. Going to put the headers on, got some headers from Advanced Headers. Going to remove the front lower control arms to change the bushes. And we're going to start cutting up the back of the chassis to put the Superior Engineering long arm kit on. So enjoy. I've just given that surface a bit of a clean with some 240 grit sandpaper. At the same time as you purchase your Advanced Headers or whatever type of custom-made rod shop or whatever you're going to use for your patrol, they come with these shitty gaskets that blow out straight away. Jump on good old eBay, get some of that. That's an OE spec layered metal gasket that will actually seal. Just start the end ones because the end ones on the headers have a hook. So you can sit it down in there. It's probably worth me saying too that you don't have to pull the body off to put these on. I'm just doing that because I'm painting the car as well. Still looks like it's going to be fairly easy to reach the spark plugs with these on there, which is good because in a Commodore anyway, sometimes when you put headers on it makes it really difficult to reach the spark plugs. For my LS Patrol conversion, I'm using the Advanced Headers. That's the part number, A293. They are not from Marks, they are straight from Advanced. They're the mild steel ones. Marks gives you an option of stainless. They were out of stock of the mild steel ones, so I just got them straight from Advanced. I only wanted mild steel because it's going to end up covered in mud anyway, so why spend another 500 bucks on it? It's literally the exact same product, it's just not made out of stainless steel. Once again, get the gasket it comes with, throw it away. Yeah. The crossover piece. This is only usable, as far as I know, with the Marks adapters bell housing. If you use a Castlemaine bell housing, you can't use this exhaust because the Marks one has that cutout in the bell housing, which is especially put there so you can use these made with these Advanced Headers. Get a ultra grey silicone on everything. This is good shit. So they're on. They clear everything really good. Easily far enough away from the tail shaft. It's not going to put it on flex or anything. That would be a nightmare to build those. So I'm going to have, obviously I'm going to have 2 Upstream O2 sensors there. And then I'm going to have a flex here, a 3-inch flex, 3-inch cat with another O2 sensor. Well, I'll put the cat right there if it'll fit next to that. Up here, and then it's going to come up and over and poke out there if the engineer says that that's okay to go right next to the fuel tank. If not, then I'll do it wherever he wants it. So it's either going to be that a single 3-inch with a muffler, or it'll split after the cat. It'll be in a removable section. It'll split into 2.5 inch. Dump one off either side of the chassis at the back there. It all depends on what he says. So before I spend ages building it, I'm gonna ask him what he's gonna pass. Right. Now I'm going to push it outside, clean the whole chassis up again because there's just a ridiculous amount of mud under this. I've washed it so many times and there's still mud. Push it outside, clean it, push it back inside, start fitting the rear long arms. Chassis all dry now. I didn't get all the mud out, but I'm going to say 98%, which is better than it's ever been. Probably took about 15 kilos weight out of the car. Now I'm just going to chuck it onto some jack stands, pull the rear diff out. Righto, diff's out, sitting on some jack stands, kind of half safe. At the start I was going to rebuild the diff and do all the seals and that in it, but there's not one leak on it and it's still a really tight LSD, so what's the point? Next got to chop that off. But what's the time? It's 3:11. Been out here all day. I know that's not the end of the day, but I'm bored. I'm not bored, I'm just tired. Oh, yeah, as well. With the body mounts on the chassis, see they're a bit worn out. I'm gonna get, especially that one, I'm going to just get a piece of 5mm, cut a circle out of 5mm, and weld it on there so it'll be stronger than new. Anyway, I got a fair bit done today. It took me a long time to get all the mud out of the chassis. There was so much mud in there, it's not funny. Also, I took the front sway bar off, and once I've got the back diff back in the car, I'm going to pull the front arms out and change bushes in them. So yeah, that's it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.